Hey, I'm Lauren, founder of Mizuba Tea Co. Today, I'll be brewing one of my favorites, Japanese Oolong. You might have heard about oolongs from Taiwan and China. Oolong is a favorite tea because the types of oolong are endless. Flavor profiles can range from light and floral of high mountain oolongs to the deep, nutty, and roasted flavors of Da Hong Pao. While oolong styles are vast, oolong in Japan is a relatively new style and a bit harder to find than sencha or matcha. At Mizuba, we're so excited to share a very special, organic, single cultivar Japanese oolong. As our producer puts it, this oolong is a moving tea that you will never forget once you drink it. Let's brew together. You'll need 5 grams of tea, a Kyusu, or glass teapot, and 150 milliliters of water at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. First, warm your Kyusu with hot water. Then add 5 grams of tea to your pot. Slowly pour 150 milliliters of water and wait for about 2 minutes. This is my favorite brew recipe, but feel free to experiment. While the tea is brewing, I'm going to tell you a little more about it. Japanese oolongs are made in the same way as other oolongs, in that the tea leaves are semi-oxidized. Our Koshon oolong is carefully grown in a cool organic plantation in the mountains of Shizuoka. When harvested, the leaves are withered in the sun before being brought indoors to be heated. The leaves are then rolled and dried into a beautiful curly and twisted shape. Our producer in Japan was inspired by the highly oxidized oolong called Oriental Beauty, which is prized for its honeyed character and signature muscat grape aroma. A special fact about both of these oolongs is that the tea leaves are bitten by tiny bugs called leafhoppers. While that might sound bad, in moderation, these minuscule bug bites cause the plant to react with their defense mechanisms and release chemical compounds in an effort to deter the bugs. However, to a human nose, the compounds that the plant releases happen to smell really good and make for a great cup of tea. The Japanese oolong in particular has the hallmark of a fresh green tea, but the oxidation makes it a multi-dimensional flavor experience. I'm thrilled every time I get to sip this oolong. When you take a sip, you'll enjoy a super smooth, honeyed brew evocative of a light stone fruit, perhaps apricot or plum. It's delicious. Thanks so much for joining me for tea today. We love talking tea. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Cheers!